Most people get this wrong. They think finance apps are just for budgeting. Silverstream Finance in 2026 is much more than that. It's a complete platform for saving, tracking, and optimizing your money. Silverstream automatically analyzes your spending patterns to suggest realistic saving targets. For example, it might notice recurring subscriptions or small, overlooked expenses and recommend adjustments. Over time, these small tweaks can save hundreds or even thousands annually, a fact most people underestimate. The app also supports goal-based saving. You can set up multiple goals like paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation. The platform automatically allocates funds toward each goal and tracks progress visually. Seeing tangible growth keeps motivation high, which is a major factor in consistent saving. Another feature is predictive cash flow. Silverstream estimates upcoming bills and recommends how much to reserve, helping prevent overdrafts or missed payments. Most people don't realize how much stress this eliminates from everyday finances. Security is top-notch with encryption, multi-factor authentication, and secure linking to your accounts. Support is available through the app and by phone, so you are never left in the dark. Limitations: Silverstream doesn't provide direct banking or investment services. You'll still need a bank account or brokerage to store and grow your funds. But for anyone focused on smarter saving and expense management, it's a strong tool. So, is Silverstream Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely, especially if you want to take control of your money with intelligent automation and real-time insights. Subscribe for more reviews that make financial tools easy to understand and use.